This station is activating the Houston area emergency alert system. The National Weather Service in Lake City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Galveston County, northeastern Brazoria County, and southeastern Harris County until 7:30 p.m. At 7:06 p.m., a severe thunderstorm is located over Alvin, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Possible hazards with this storm include quarter-size hail. Once again, severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Galveston County, northeastern Brazoria County, and southeastern Harris County until 7:30 p.m. This concludes activation of the Houston area emergency alert system.